Hey, today I want to tap the end of my 80-20 extruded aluminum tin series so that I can use this end fastener for a hidden connection. I don't want to have any brackets showing here. When you get your aluminum from 80-20, it comes with a hole in the middle, but unless you ask for it to be threaded, it's not. So I picked up this DeWALT 1/4 thread, and it came with a number 7 bit. Now I don't need to pre-drill this. The bit fits right in the hole, so thanks to 80-20 for that. I can tap without pre-drill. Let's just go ahead and get started. Stick it in the end and start to turn. It will straighten itself out as you get in there. And because we're doing it by hand, we don't really need any lube. We're not generating a ton of heat here. It is definitely a bit of a workout, and you will have a mess of aluminum flakes to deal with, so be prepared for that. Have your shop vac ready. If it does get jammed up, just do a 1/4 turn backwards and then continue forward again. Go as deep as you need to go, and then you can back this out. Almost there. There we go. Okay. Good. We have a thread. Let's test it out. So again, this is a 1/4 for the end fastener from 80-20. Goes in there nicely. We'll go almost all the way in with that. And to get the piece that you're going to connect it to, slide it on through your access hole, snug it up, and there you go. We've got our 80-20 tapped and an end fastener hidden in the joint. We'll see you on the next one.